I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday.
It is a Thirsty Thursday.
What are we making?
Today we're going to make the Almond Baileys Martini.
Almond Baileys Martini.
Yes, and it's going to have a real festive look because Jamie is going to rim the glasses with some cocoa. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start this drink. We're going to put in 2 ounces of gin into a shaker with some ice. This is for 2 drinks, as we always talk about.
Okay.
There's 1 ounce. There's 2 ounce. A little more. And then we're going to put 1 ounce of Baileys in there.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. And then
while I'm rimming the glasses with some little bit of simple syrup and some cocoa powder.
we're using a simple syrup. Some people tell you to use lime. You use anything that's wet. Water just doesn't seem to hold it very well, but this is an Amaretto. You can use a couple other different kind of almond liqueurs.
How much of that?
1 ounce.
1 ounce.
Yeah, and then we're going to put 2 ounces of the half and half.
Half and half. Okay.
Yep. And 1 ounce, and there's 2 ounces.
Cool.
I'm going to shake that up and strain it. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Strain.
Okay. There we go. Makes a nice sound too. There we go.
Okay.
That's about right.
Yep.
Okay, now to add a little festive touch, I'm going to sprinkle a little cocoa. You sprinkle yours. Ooh. A little cocoa bean.
There you go. Okay.
Let's give the Baileys Almond Martini a shot. Surprisingly, those go together way better than I thought they would.
It's really sweet,
But yeah, it is.
but it's designed to have probably 1.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's actually pretty good.
It actually is good. Yeah.
Yep.
Give that a shot. The Baileys Almond Martini.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.